In the midst of Ukraine's challenging landscape, a new chapter unfolded as Russia deployed the formidable Gibka-S air defense systems to safeguard its interests. Tensions soared on the border, and reports of a new guardian surfaced. The Tigr all-terrain infantry mobility vehicles, sent by Russia, now proudly sporting the distinctive Gibka-S missile turrets atop their armored frame. This wasn't just a deployment, it was a statement etched in metal, a promise echoing across the fields. It signaled a commitment to securing the skies in a region where uncertainties loomed like storm clouds on the horizon. However, what sets the Gibka-S air defense system apart, and what specific capabilities does it bring to the table? Stay tuned to discover more about it. In a race against time, Russia's defense industry moves quickly to perfect existing weapons or create new products for immediate use in the war in Ukraine, meeting the needs of soldiers on the battlefield. One by one products were launched and delivered to the Ukrainian Palagon, one of the latest of which is the Gibka-S mobile air defense system. At the end of December 2023, a photo of the Gibka-S, which was on a combat mission in Ukraine, appeared on the Russian VK social network VK, confirming the deployment of the new short-range surface-to-air missile system. This Gibka-S system was developed by the JSC Engine Building Design Bureau, which was mounted on the chassis of the GAZ Tigr light armored vehicle. Its presence allows the Russian military to significantly increase its anti-aircraft arsenal, offering a quick and efficient response to a wide variety of aerial threats. The Gibka-S system is very useful in protecting supply convoys and other tactical columns from drone attacks, especially kamikaze drones. In addition, Gibka-S can be relied upon against fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters, cruise missiles, and precision-guided weapons that fly or glide very low. The system is equipped with 4 ready-to-fire missiles with options including Igla-S, or Verba missiles. The other 4 missiles are stored in the cabin. The use of Gibka-S in Ukraine serves not only as a strategic tool but also as a real test for assessing its effectiveness. These tests revealed the performance of the system under various combat constraints, which was an important aspect before mass production was carried out. At its core, this weapon is an integration of the Man-Portable Air Defense System or MANPADS, Man-Portable Air Defense System, used in combat by infantry, with the Tigr armored vehicle. Posted by laymanrbth.com, a Gibka-S platoon consists of up to 6 combat vehicles with built-in missile launchers, plus reconnaissance vehicles and weapons controllers stationed in the ranks as part of Group Command. It was handled by the optical electronic complex Garmin, which is integrated into the brain of the system. The machine is based on artificial intelligence, which allows it to distinguish the surrounding targets and non-targets separately, perform locking, and then wait for human commands to destroy them. Gibka-S can also receive target coordinates from more powerful radar installations and centers, and relay the entire tactical situation on the ground to human operators. What weapon was used? Each Tigr armored vehicle can be paired with up to 4 Igla and Verba missile launchers on it. The system is designed to bring down low-flying aircraft, helicopters and drones with infrared guidance that can target targets up to 6 kilometers away. However, the main task of the new Gibka-S with Igla and Verba MANPADS is to combat new weapons of militants in the Middle East, including swarms of drones armed with glide bombs, the editor-in-chief of Arsenal of the Fatherland magazine Viktor Murakovsky told Russia Beyond. As Murakovsky said, drones in the 21st century are becoming the main striking force in the hands of terrorists. It is caused by several reasons.